Hi, my name is Ashton. I am the head farmer of Babylon Vertical Farms, and today we are here in the garage KL for another episode of Cooking with Farmers. So today we'll be preparing grilled chicken with French omelette, and we're going to drizzle it with some nice creamy pesto. Alright, and as for the French omelette, we're going to keep it really simple today. So we got farm fresh eggs donated by one of our supporters of Babylon. Thank you so much, you know who you are. Of course, you can't have French omelette without some fresh butter over here. It's the core, it brings the flavors together, it gives that nice creamy taste into the French omelette. So remember, butter, not oil. As for the grilled chicken, we have 400 grams of chicken breast over here, and we're going to season it with salt, chili powder and mixed herbs. We're going to do some grilled tomatoes as well. Alright, so now we're going to start off on our French omelette. So we have 4 fresh eggs over here. The fresher the eggs, the better. You know, it will help keep the integrity of the eggs, you know, and the omelette, you know, it makes it nice and smooth, tasty. You know what it is lah. So from here, crack it and out. So now you're gonna crack all your eggs in a bowl. 2, 3, 4, right? Very nice. Now, from here, you're gonna turn on your stove. All the pan's heating up, you throw in your butter into the pan. Your butter is fully melted. Spread it all around the pan. If you feel like your eggs are cooking too fast, slow down the flame. So make sure you spread it all out. So you just keep. It's very important to have a really good non-stick pan so that the eggs will not stick to the pan and all that, or else you're gonna just deal with scrambled eggs instead. Some people like the omelettes runny, some people like the omelettes really well done. I personally like it runny. As long as you're given fresh pasteurized eggs like our supporter did, right? So from here, slowly turn off your heat. You're going to use a spatula to hold the ladle. Here you're going to fold it. Push it here. Put it on top here. 1, 2. Right, so I'm going to take a piece of my chicken breast and put it right here on the chopping board. Don't need this. Now I'm going to take my herbs. First things first, season your chicken. Salt. Don't need to put so much because we're going to have a lot of salt from everything else, like from the omelette, from the pesto, and so you don't want to be clear. But pepper is very important. So season with black pepper on top. 2 on both sides, so you flip your chicken, bam. A little bit of salt, take a bit of chili powder, sprinkle it, rub it in. Just a little bit, you know, you don't want it to be too much. Sprinkle it on top, rub it in. So remember, you don't want to over season your chicken or over flavor your chicken, because it's just protein for the sake of the dish, because the flavor and everything else will come from the pesto. You use a bit of your herbs, just pat that on top. Simple stuff. If you want your chicken to be stronger, I advise you to season it the night before, put it in a seal bag and just put it in the fridge, you know. Let that chicken soak up all those flavors and all that, and then you will infuse right into the meat. Pat it in, fish your chicken, mop it up, right? Okay, Now, while you let the chicken rest, wait until the pan starts smoking up, you know. That's when you know you can put your oil. You know that the pan is hot enough and ready to start frying your chicken. Quite hot. Okay, so now the pan is quite hot. So now we're gonna add our olive oil. So just put this just all across the surface, yeah? So here, nice. Let it chill out for a bit. Let the oil heat up now. The pan is already heated up, but the oil has not yet. It just take about like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you know? So just let that be. And now we wait for a short while. So now we're waiting, you know, I'm just gonna take a short moment to say thank you for supporting us all this way. Please like, subscribe, drop some comments. If you have any idea on recipes or anything you would like us to do for you or cook for you, just let us know. We'll try our best, you know. So now when the pan is pretty hot, alright, we're going to go just lower the heat a little bit. You're gonna take your chicken and we're gonna drop it in. 1, 2. Just nice and flat down into the pan. So the general rule is you want to let it cook for like 5 minutes per side or 6 minutes per side, you know, whichever. It's better to have overcooked chicken than undercooked chicken. But if you try to make things perfect, you try to make it cook just right, you know, it's juicy enough, the juices come out, but it's cooked all the way through. Season 5 now. Some people like it a little bit more raw, some people like it like really nice and soft, you know, so just play around a bit. Okay, alright, so the tomatoes are kind of done now, so we're gonna take it out slowly. Just use a spatula. Okay, like a tomato board, yeah? Just put it right here. Tomatoes are nice and soft now. Alright, so the chicken is done now. We're going to take this chicken, pick it up, strip it off, put it on a cutting board and just let it rest for about a minute or two. Just let the juices seep through, relax, you know, so that when you cut it, the juices will just flow out really nicely. Right? Perfect. While letting the chicken rest, we're going to take some pesto, right, which we made earlier. Just take a spoon of it, put it nicely on the omelette. Spread it all out. Right? Here, just. Oops.
Stop on. Zoom into the shot, John. Slowly, yeah.
So here. But you have to chop it down in the motion. Bam. 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 Look at that, nice and cooked perfectly through. Take a look at that. Perfect. Here, use your knives, the chicken, and slide it right on top like this. Right? So, from here, now we're gonna play a bit of chef, you know. We're gonna take our scissors, some red garnet amaranth microgreens. Spread it all out. One thing I love about red garnet amaranth is, man, the color is just so vibrant, right? Take a bit of our Swiss chard. And also garnish the top. See, you don't need to fly all the way to Melbourne for a fancy breakfast like this, you know? You can just do it at home, with the right tools, with the right mindset. Alright guys, now is the end of the show. Nothing better to do than to have my lunch for today. So let's just give it a go. Prefer this direction. Just push that in. Nice direction. Oh, it's a bit fine. Let me just cut that a little bit smaller. Just put a bit of pesto on that. Get the whole everything.
Oh yeah. That's delicious.
Sometimes I outdo myself, you know. Alright, this is all we have for today. This is the omelette pesto with grilled chicken. Thank you all for tuning in. My name is Ashton. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like, comment what do you want us to cook next. See you the next time.